Ah, this Dream League live match.
And the away team have gone with this lineup.
Oh, that's well played. Salah with the dribble. Off the post. This is Haaland. He's moving it around. He steps up to steal the ball. Cristiano Ronaldo. This is Haaland. A strong tackle.
And now De Bruyne.
That's a bit cynical, really. It's going to be a free kick. Goes long. Rudiger with a challenge. Cancelo. Won the ball.
Is this a goal?
It was good, but the keeper reacted quickly. The ball's heading to the middle of the box.
De Bruyne to take the corner.
He's played it long. Mo Salah.
Surely now.
Rudiger. A misplaced pass. Oh, that pass could have been better. He's racing ahead with the ball. Can he put it away? It's opened up.
Simply no messing about there. Clean finish. Oh, a thoroughly deserved lead. You just knew that was coming.
A slender. Nice pass. Mbappe. Oh, that's a poor pass. Good ball control. Lewandowski now. He just couldn't keep it down. Some big decisions are being made. These subs are warmed up and raring to go. Headed forward.
Looks like the opposition are still trying to get back into the game. Is this the moment?
Alisson, fantastic stop. He's taken it long.
They've squared the game with that goal. There's a look of confidence about the team now as they've drawn level. Can they get in front now?
Really good possession here. He misjudged the pass. Good defending now. A careless pass there. He got that pass all wrong. That's not like him at all. Is that a professional foul? The last man took him out. He could be given his marching orders. Cristiano Ronaldo. He's speeding ahead. He's found an opening. And this really takes the pressure off the defence. Still level here. It might take a moment of brilliance to separate these two teams. He dribbles the ball forward. A misplaced pass. Oh, that pass could have been better. The player's using his pace.
Oh, he did really well there. Oh, there's an opening here.
Right at the end. That must clinch it for them.
And that might be the one which will win it for them. His manager will be delighted with that goal.
He misjudged the pass. Fantastic game. He's been outstanding. To no one's surprise, he's been named as the player of the match.